Hey, Drop Tech fans! Welcome back to the channel. So, get ready, because Apple is gearing up to drop what might be the most exciting iPhone lineup we've seen in years. The iPhone 17 series is expected to launch in September 2025, and it's bringing major changes, new sizes, fresh design tweaks, upgraded cameras, and a big performance leap. Apple is planning to launch 4 iPhones this time: the iPhone 17, iPhone 17 Pro, iPhone 17 Pro Max, and an all-new edition called the iPhone 17 Air. This Air model is actually taking over the spot of the Plus version, which is being discontinued due to low popularity. And what makes the iPhone 17 Air stand out is that it's expected to be Apple's thinnest iPhone ever. Rumors say it could be just 6mm thick, maybe even less. It'll have a 6.6-inch display, placing it neatly between the Pro and Pro Max in screen size. One of the biggest changes is that all 4 models are finally expected to feature promotion displays with 120Hz refresh rates, meaning smoother scrolling, better animations, and a more fluid experience overall. Apple plans to use LTPO display tech for this, which also opens the door for an always-on display on more models, but that part isn't confirmed just yet. Now, in terms of design, the standard iPhone 17 will look pretty similar to the iPhone 16, but with a slightly larger 6.3-inch screen. Meanwhile, the iPhone 17 Air and the Pro versions are getting a bolder redesign. They'll feature a new horizontal pill-shaped camera bump on the back and move away from titanium in favor of a glass-aluminum hybrid build. This not only improves durability but still supports MagSafe wireless charging. Cameras are also getting a serious upgrade. For the first time, every model in the iPhone 17 lineup will feature a 24-megapixel front camera. That's double the resolution of the current models, giving you sharper selfies and improved FaceTime quality. The iPhone 17 Air will have a single 48-megapixel rear camera, while the standard iPhone 17 sticks with the dual-lens setup, wide and ultra-wide. The real photography powerhouse, though, is going to be the iPhone 17 Pro Max. It's rumored to come with 3 48-megapixel sensors, covering wide, ultra-wide, and telephoto shots. It could also be the first iPhone to support 8K video recording. And Apple might even add features like mechanical aperture control, giving you DSLR-style light control, and dual video capture, letting you record with both front and back cameras at the same time, perfect for vloggers and content creators. On the performance side, the iPhone 17 and 17 Air are likely getting the A19 chip, though the base iPhone 17 might stick to the A18. The Pro and Pro Max, however, are set to run on the A19 Pro chip, built on TSMC's more advanced 3nm process, which means better speed, more efficiency, and improved battery life. There's also a big memory boost coming. The Air, Pro, and Pro Max might all jump up to 12 GB of RAM, compared to the current 8 GB. The standard iPhone 17 might still have 8 GB, but if supply allows, we might see a bump there too. Connectivity is also being taken up a notch. Apple will introduce its first in-house Wi-Fi chip across all models, which supports Wi-Fi 7 for faster internet and lower latency. You'll also get Bluetooth 5.3 for more stable wireless connections. The iPhone 17 Air will be the first to use Apple's own 5G modem, though it might not support ultra-fast mmWave 5G right away. Another interesting change is that the iPhone 17 Air is expected to be eSIM-only, removing the physical SIM tray entirely. This move could eventually go global across all models in the future. Battery improvements are on the way too. Apple is working on a new type of adhesive that responds to low-voltage current, making battery replacements easier and more repair-friendly. Charging speeds for wired charging will stay at 35 watts, but the MagSafe wireless charging might get a boost if Apple activates support for the new Qi 2 standard, potentially reaching up to 50 watts. As for colors, nothing official has been confirmed yet, but early leaks suggest we might see a purple or green finish, and possibly a light blue version for the Pro models, kind of like the blue color seen on the latest MacBook Air. Pricing-wise, here's what we expect. The iPhone 17 should start around $799, the iPhone 17 Air at $899, and the iPhone 17 Pro at $999. Prices could go slightly higher depending on supply costs, but Apple is planning to make up for that with all these upgrades and changes. Now, what about the dynamic island? Well, Some leaks say it might get a narrower redesign using Metallin's Face ID tech, while others suggest it'll stay the same as it is on the iPhone 16. Either way, we know Apple has already completed engineering validation testing for at least one model, which means the designs are nearly locked in and mass production is just around the corner. So yeah, between the ultra-thin iPhone 17 Air, the promotion screens across the board, crazy camera upgrades, and that powerful new chip, it really looks like Apple is ready to deliver its biggest iPhone upgrade
using your
in years.
device. Of course,
Let
a
me
great
know in the
battery needs an
comments,
equally
which
great
iPhone
software
17 model are you most excited about? If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech updates. Also, make sure to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. We'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.